Hi, good day everyone. I'm Ismail, Sales Advisor Toyota. Okay, come to my YouTube channel. You can check out my YouTube channel below, or you can go my Instagram, onlinemytoyota. Okay, today I will present to you how to off your engine on driving. Okay, don't forget, check it out. Okay guys, I will show you how to off the engine. If you using the mechanical key, very easy, you can turn off. If you using the car, using the push start button, I will show you how to off. Okay, today I will show you 6 steps of Toyota. Toyota Camry 2.5 liter V-Spec. Toyota Corolla Altis 1.8. Toyota Yaris G-Spec 1.5. Toyota Vios GRS. This is for special edition 10-speed gearbox. Toyota Hilux 2.4 V-Spec. And then the last one I show you for this model, Toyota Wayfire. Okay, this is information knowledge for you all. Maybe some of us don't know about what I call the off engine on driving. Test 1 2 3 test. Okay. Okay guys, I will show to you how to off the engine on driving. Firstly, hazard on, press around 3 seconds, engine off, and then you can turn to the left for emergency. Okay. Okay guys, this is Toyota Corolla Altis. Okay, first on hazard, and then press the push start button for 3 seconds. Okay, engine totally off, and then you can turn to the left. Okay, this Hilux we test for off engine on driving for Hilux. Okay, firstly hazard. Push start button here, 3 seconds. Okay, engine off, you can turn left for your safety. Okay, thank you. Hazard on. Okay, press push start button for 3 seconds. Okay, engine off, and then you can turn to the left for the safety. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, this is Toyota Camry. Okay, as usual, on the hazard, and then here push start button, press 3 seconds, engine totally off, and then you can turn to the left until your car stop.